Coffee is related to fellowship. Coffee stands for Christ offers forgiveness for everyone, everywhere, every time. If you want to have coffee with me, there is forgiveness for you. You cannot go into fellowship with me if you do not accept my forgiveness that is already 2000 years ago on the cross, tetelestai, done. They cannot capture that they are already forgiven. It is something that is a gift that you just need to receive, and that hinders us to go into fellowship with Christ Jesus. The 77 rule. Without the 770 rule, you cannot have fellowship with Christ Jesus, nor will you have fellowship with one another. When I invite you for coffee, I invite you into fellowship, but the prerequisite for that is forgiveness. And if there is no forgiveness, you cannot fellowship with one another. And then John is saying, you are still in the darkness. So back to Luke 17:4 in the Amplified Classic Bible, the disciples was asking Jesus, now how many times must I forgive my brother? I think they were sitting, waiting, so that the Lord was saying, man, 3 times is enough. And the Lord revealed to them 7 times 70. But the Amplified Classic Bible revealed something profound. In brackets it says, give up the resentment. In Afrikaans beteken dit, gee op die wrokke. Give up the resentment. You cannot have resentment against your brother. It's more than just, okay, I forgive you. But you can still have resentment, wrokke, and then you walk into bitterness and hatred, and then your love for your brother wax cold. But it continues, it says, give up the resentment, consider the offense as recalled and annul. Beskou nou die aanklagte as teruggetrek en van geen waarde.